Welcome back everyone to ISO 20 tutoring. Today in this video we're going to be going over one particular question in terms of factorising. And when we say factorising, we literally mean that we're going to put the brackets back in, which is the opposite of expanding brackets, exactly. So I just wanted to go over this question which says factorise x squared plus 5x plus 6. And so, as I said before, factorising means putting the brackets back in. And so you should be familiar with a certain method called the AC method when you're taking on this question. And in this method, we can assign each of the coefficients of these numbers a certain numerical value. So here we've got A, here we've got B, and here we've got C. So first of all, it doesn't look like we're actually underlining anything, but you could think of the coefficient of x squared being an invisible 1. And when I say coefficient, I literally mean the number that's next to an x or x squared term or whatever. So we can say that A equals 1. We can say that B equals 5. And we can say that C equals 6. So the AC method dictates that you want to find two numbers that multiply to make 6, which is C, and two of the same numbers, I should specify, that add together to make that 5. Okay, and so the easiest way to use the AC method is to think about the factors of 6. So let's quickly jot them down. So factors of 6. So first of all, we could have 1 times 6, obviously. Then we could have, for example, 3 times 2. And what some people might forget is that you can also multiply -1 and -6, because two negatives multiply to make a positive. And we can also multiply -3 and -2 together to get 6. So out of all of these 4 different pairs of factors, automatically you should be thinking, if I've got a positive number for 2 negative numbers that I'm adding together, I don't want these negative factors, because if I add -1 and -6, I'll get -7, and if I add together -3 and -2, I'm going to get -5. So I'm just going to cross them out right off the bat. So next thing I could do is I could potentially use this pair of factors. So I could try x plus 1 and x plus 6. But automatically you should be thinking, if I do x times x, I get my x squared. If I do x times 6, I get 6x. And if I do 1 times x, I get x. 1 times 6, I get 6. So if I collect my like terms now, I get x squared plus 7x plus 6, which is not the same as the original equation. So I know that this pair of factors is not the one that I'm looking for. And so just by deduction, I know that the pair that I want to factorise with are going to be x plus 3 and x plus 2. And just for the sake of completion, let's multiply that out together. We get x times x, we get x squared. X times 2, we get 2x. 3 times x, we get 3x. And 3 times 2, we get 6. So collecting like terms now, so we can add together this 2x and this 3x, so we get x squared plus 5x plus 6, and hence we know that this is our fully factorised equation. So hopefully that helps. Please like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, literally just DM us on Insta, contact us through Facebook, email us and whatever. Thank you.